Now let us say the 117. Here column 1 given the compounds, in a column 2 their shapes are given. You have to match the column 1 with column 2. In this type of questions, firstly calculate the number of bond pairs and lone pairs. By knowing of number of bond pairs and lone pairs, you may easily conclude the shape of that compound. I go with the first one, that is Xc(F6). We know that xenon belongs to group 18. It has 8 outermost electrons. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Xenon forms a bond with fluorine. Here 6 fluorines are bond with xenon. We left with one lone pair of electron. We conclude that here 6 bond pairs are present and one lone pair is present. Easily conclude the shape of this structure is that this is a distorted octahedral. Why? Because where there is a distortion, that means disturbance is occurred in octahedral. That's why this structure is a distorted octahedral. So we conclude that A matches with 1. Now let us come to the given options. Here A matches with 1. Here A matches with 4. That's why option 1 is eliminated. In option 2, A matches with 1. In option 3 also A matches with 1. But in option 4, A matches with 4. That's why option 4 is also eliminated. By knowing of Xf6 is a distorted octahedral, you can easily eliminate 2 options. Now let us closely observe these 2 options. In option 2 and 3, C is 4. That there is no need to verify the XUO-F4 shape. That is, its shape is a square pyramidal. Why? Because option 2, 3 contains the same. Now let us verify the B. That means XeO3. We know that xenon belongs to group 18. Its outermost electrons are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We know that there is requires 2 electrons from xenon to make a bond with oxygen. Here 1 oxygen requires 2 electrons. Here 3 oxygens are present. Totally 6 electrons are required to bond with oxygen. Here 1 lone pair of electron is present. Now let us try to draw its structure. Here xenon is double bond with oxygen, double bond with oxygen, double bond with oxygen, and there is presence of 1 lone pair. We may observe that this shape is similar to ammonia. Why? Because here is also 3 bond pairs are present, 1 lone pair is present. Here the shape of ammonia is pyramidal. In this case of XuO3, its structure is also pyramidal structure. So B matches with 3. Now let us come to the options. Here B matches with 3. Only option 2 satisfies that B matches with 3. Option 3 is eliminated. So our answer is 2 is our correct answer.